Wild African out here. Today I'm in this side of Uganda, taking you to the historical death pool. It's a little bit of a sad story, but the view and the scenery is amazing out here. Let's first enjoy the view and I'll take you through the story. Once upon a time, in one side of Uganda, there used to be a tribe that did not allow early teenage pregnancies. So, what did they do as elders? Every time a girl would get pregnant at an early age, they would take this girl to this place where I'm taking you, to the tip of this waterfall. They would force their brother to pull or to push the girl or the sister off the cliff of this waterfall down to the fall pool. And that would be the end of the pregnant girl's life. This took many years happening until one day, one little brother was forced to push his sister. Then, this brave little girl, in her heart, knew that she had to end such a barbarical act. The time when the brother was going to push her off that cliff, she pulled the brother and they both fell into the death pool. And that's how the community stopped this barbarical act of throwing the innocent girls off the waterfall cliff somewhere in Uganda many years ago.